I disassembled the plug and use a heat shrink tubing on the wires, like that. And the parts of cover will be on top. Now some heat gun. I've decided to use additional tubing on the exit from the plug cover because it was also a weak spot. Heat gun again. I screw this together off camera. It looks like bending is under control, but I haven't noticed that I assembled the plug cover backwards. This is the moment when I realize my mistake and need to fix it. I still do not like how it looks and behave. When in home position, the wires are badly bending just above my tubing. I've tried different positions of the first wire hose clip. I think it is better to move it away from head. This is how it looks from the side. It's not only bent, but also a little screwed. I want this pass to be smoother with bigger radius. When on bottom, it looks okay. I think I'm going to add additional reinforcement to the wires. Operation successful and patient is not dead.